ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ka Sorkar jalla hadu menta kadang wat ye ka Briew ka babiang pura ka kerdan ka ban shimti thamai kum ka Chairperson jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Ka jing bamla jong ka Sorkar ban Thung ye ka Chairperson ka bathamai hapo ka Office jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women ka long na ka daw ka jing wan lin shop jong uknyang jing pang COVID-19 hapo ka ni ka jalla Meghalaya bad ha ka prathai hi barok ka wei. Hagajing yakaran batkilat pathai khubor Menteri Rangba Kajelnau Konrad Sangma uliathoru bakajing slam banthung yu Chief Information Commissioner bathamai kadairu kadau kajingwan penthut jong uknyang jingpang COVID-19.
See, there's a complete process that is involved in appointing a chairperson. One cannot just simply sit in a room and just simply go ahead with it. So there's applications to be received. Then those applications are screened. In the last 1 year, obviously because of the COVID situation, that process could not take place in the way or the timing that we would have wanted. So therefore, there was delay in the entire process because we have to follow the process. Now, if it was the question of just simply, the cabinet or the chief minister or the social affairs, welfare minister appointing, then it would not have been an issue. But since we have to ask for applications, we have to ask for resumes, there's a very detailed process that goes through. All those processes need to be followed, and because of the COVID situation we faced, those processes could not be held as per the plan that normally or as per the schedule that normally happens. And that's why the delay. But it's in a very advanced stage. We have received a large number of names, and the process is on. And as far as I'm aware, that the process is right now has reached the minister's table. So we will review that and then we'll decide. And yes, it's an important post. So we are working on it, but COVID has really made the process quite difficult for us to move at a fast pace.